Check, mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome back to the channel. Mark, that's me. My words, as always, before I do get this very quick video, please continue to hit that subscribe button down there if you do enjoy the content. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Here we are, troops. Second attempt at recording this. Microphone wasn't tuned in for some reason. It should be now. So I'm quickly going to go over what I went over in my original video, and it's all focused around what happened last week. What did happen last week? AMC, we had earnings. Okay, it was okay, you know, not as bad as what anybody expected. The disappointing thing for me on AMC earnings was that Adam Aaron confirmed they have sold some more APE, 14 million, there or thereabouts, for approximately $2.44 a share. If you're going to sell them at the beginning. Like, when you're, where are we? APE, here we are. When you're at 10.50. Take advantage of the momentum that you're going to get. Yeah? Don't take money off us. Take money out of the, you know, somebody else's pocket. Anyway, here's what it is. He sold them. But yeah, back to AMC and GameStop. Obviously, just put the chart up here. You can see Wednesday, Thursday, the two green days here, and APE as well. They all ran. But on the back of the FTX news, we seem to get a bit of a run going, troops. Now, you know me, I'm not one for getting hyped. I do read all the theories. I do follow what everybody's saying. And this kind of makes some sense to me. And there's some very clever people out there talking about how this FTX collapse may correlate to a move in AMC and GameStop. Why? Because they're saying that FTX claimed to have a one-for-one on tokenized securities, specifically for AMC and GME, which means for every tokenized security they hold, they have held also one actual share. Not really sure about that. Couple of reasons why. Firstly, when did you buy them, and why didn't the price move? And secondly, why have we not seen you on any filings if you own that many shares? You know, so whatever's going on, but there's the theory is. Hey, shush. The theory is that some hedge funds have been able to use these tokenized securities as collateral. And that's what they've been able to do to keep the price down a little bit. And when FTX blew up, they're saying this is why the Ortex data showed 115 million shares being borrowed, because they no longer had the collateral, or they knew it was coming, that they no longer had the collateral to be able to post it against their short positions. So we will see, troops. I mean, you know, it's hard to do the technical stuff when it's like this. Last week we hit a low of 505 on AMC. We're now back above that 640 line that I've got marked out. How real this move is, I don't know. Obviously, CPI data month on month was good last week as well. But if you look at year on year, it's not so good. In fact, it's worse than what it was previously. So take from that what you will. Again, the same for GameStop. I'm not really sure. We dipped below 22.14, which is an area I've had marked up for a while. We dipped just below that. But then we did come back up, and we're now back in that channel. I'm not sure how real these moves are, troops, to be honest. And I think there's something brewing on this FTX thing. So this week, watch and wait. That's all I'm going to say. Like I said, I don't get too hyped about these things. But this theory, for me, is it too coincidental? Can you have too many coincidences before something becomes reality? Yeah, you can. But, you know, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, something doesn't smell right here. There's all sorts of theories flying out around there about what FTX have been up to, what they've done with the money. You know, talk of it being laundered through Ukraine back to the Democrat Party. Not interested in that. I'm interested in the price. But there's a lot going on. Keep an eye on it, troops. Keep watching it, because this is something which I think is very interesting. And that's it. That's all I've got to say this week. So, as always, Put it in the comments. What do you think? I'm really interested to hear from you guys on this. I'm not a crypto guy. So is it possible that this is all linked into GameStop and AMC? I'd really love to hear from you crypto guys. If, us memesters are just seeing something that's not there, or you actually see some of the theories that are flying around and believe, that this could be something to be going on. Anyway, all looking good. Pre-market, all the meme stocks are green. SPY is red. Bitcoin just broke $17,000, so making a way back up. But let's see, troops. Let's see how it all pans out. Most importantly, as always, wherever you are in the world, do take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, troops.